Hey guys, this is Vic from DNB Mobile Auto Repair. We've been asked by many of our clients what is our procedure for doing oil changes or checking brakes and raising basically any work that needs our technician and mechanics to maybe go under the car. So we just wanted to make a quick video to explain to you how we go about doing that. Go ahead. So as you can see, we're raising this SUV out here. This can actually um, raise a truck pretty easily. And please keep in mind, we are on a slope out here, on an incline, on a driveway, and it's still working. I'm going to go closer to give you an idea about the clearance that we have. So at this much of clearance, we will easily be able to get under the car and do oil changes and break stuff, remove the wheels easily. It saves us a lot of time individually lifting each wheel up, and we can do a quick inspection, a quick brake job, oil change just out of your driveway. Hope you guys like the video. If you need any of our services, please give us a call. Number is 604 518 6684, and this is DNB Mobile Auto Repair in Surrey. We service the Lower Mainland and the Greater Vancouver area. Thanks. Have a great day.